Hello guys, today I will be unpacking a Cornell thermal pot. So here it is. This is the pot, electric thermal pot. Okay, it has 5 years warranty on the heating elements alone. Any other things? No, it's not included. 4 different temperature setting supposedly, and smart cool. We have the dispenser, 3-way. I'll show it to you later, and the consumption of the power is about 890 watts. Alright, the side we have, I'm not sure if you can see it. Alright, we have again the 4 temperature setting that you have. So you have the 60 degrees Celsius, 85 degrees Celsius, 98 degrees Celsius, and the smart cool. Not entirely sure what this is all about, but what I have. And the auto dispenser, which is here or here. I thought it says 3 ways, right? Let me see. So you have 3 ways. Alright. And you have the level water level display with LED lights, so you can actually see it in the dark. And of course, something that is quite important as well, stainless steel. Nothing much from the other side. Same thing here. All right, let's open it up. Okay. Let me just adjust a bit. All right. Okay. So what we have here. Oops. The packing foam and the plastic. So yeah, it's wow. Hold on a second. Okay, you know what? I have to flip this over. Oops! I think I dropped something. Oh. Okay, so the foam here. There's another one here. Let's throw it inside. And 2 more foams here. Oh man, it's kind of like dropping everywhere. Okay. So let's see. So this is the product. Alright. Let's see what we have here. Nothing much. So you put in the power. It's nothing much below. Yeah, so the model number is CTP E45T. Alright. Yep. So it goes between 750 to 890 watts. Okay. Let's put this one side. The warranty card is here. Let me see. I think this is a warranty card. Alright, so I'll just put one side. This is the user manual. So it's made by Cornell. Just want to have to look at it. Safety precautions. So an explanation of the product in greater detail if you're interested, and the settings. Alright, it's about 4.5 liter. When using it for the first time, remove all plastic and cardboard packaging from the thermal pot. Remove any protective film or stickers from the thermal pot before using it, of course. and so on. So these are the operating procedures, the functions, what you're going to do for the button, and what you should press for whatever purpose. Smart cool, alright, it says here, function is used to stop the normal keep warm function that will help to save electricity, especially at night. Press the temperature select button till the indicator goes to the smart cool function. Once the water is boiled, the water will start to cool down until lukewarm, where it is suitable for immediate drinking when dispensed from a thermal pot. Alright, fair enough. So these are the few ways that you can dispense the water. Two ways, in fact, down here. So one way is to press the dispense button. The second one, there's a button here right below. Or of course, you can use that. So 3 ways. Alright, I guess that's about it. Oh yeah, I think periodically we have to clean it. Alright, I think this is for hygiene purpose, as well as to keep whatever things that has dropped in away from your delicate tummy. Alright, I think that's about it for this. Something that dropped onto the floor. This is a UK plug, 3-pin. Alright, that's about it. Okay, if we are to open it up, okay, yeah, so this is the metal plate with the rubber seal. It goes all the way in, down. Close it, reball, temperature select, unlock to dispense, and of course you can press this. I think you can lock it somewhere. Yeah, how do I do it? Lock, unlock, lock. The heat, I guess this is where the gas, I mean the heat that comes out, so you shouldn't touch this. And right below, this is the button, so place your cup below and then you can activate the button. Again, I think you right, so there's something that a lot of people don't know. Most of these thermal pots will have this sort of kind of like a lazy Susan ring below, so when you fill up with water, it will not be easy to turn. But with this, you can kind of turn it around. Alright guys, that's it. I've not used it yet. I've used similar models before, and I'm quite happy with this brand. The last model I've used, very similar. We have used it for about 3-4 years, and the heating element is still working fine. The only thing is that a lot of the rubber seal is kind of torn, and there's a lot of rust all around the area. Sorry. The last one that I used, the rubber seal, is worn out, and there's a lot of rust at the top part here. So that's about it. Alright, thank you for watching. One more thing, it comes with this, so it's basically telling you that every 2 to 3 months put in lemon juice extract from 2 lemons and add water up to the maximum level, boil it, then dispense it, unplug, remove the lid, and basically it's telling you to clean the inside of your pot, the thermal pot. So now this is very important. I guess it's good to maintain. All right.